Okay, we're to the point, we have the vise mounted, we just set it back on here, the lowest angle position, the gears lined right up. Okay, that one started, now I'm not snugging it, I'm just getting it started, come over to this side, at an angle, I always work like lug nuts crosswise. Okay, I got it sort of, and now I'm going to check this, and it's engaging. And you want to make sure, just like you check the handle before you tighten, you want to make sure before you lock everything up that the gross angle adjuster is engaging. And it's not a crunch or anything, it's a smooth, it has a detent button, and it's got ball bearings, it's a very smooth action. For those of you who don't know, that's one of the improvements on the Gen 4 Pro over the Gen 3 Pro, is that the Gen 3 Pro had like a gear ratchet clicking action on the gross angle, where this is silent in ball bearings and smooth. They both do the same thing, and they both have the same angle range and the same precision, accuracy, adjustability. It's just, this is nicer. It just, each step, each series, each product that Wicked Edge releases, they have, in my experience over the years, stepped up and made it a nicer product. And this setup is really nice, this Gen 4 Pro. I'm going to go through and make sure, because I don't want these to come loose, I'm going to make sure that these are all tight. And then we go to the bracket arms, and the bracket arms is the last step. We have that little lock. Now we go back to the wide angle. It's a little bit off, maybe 27.5, not 28. It sets in here and fits right down in there, and just with a little, that's it. It went right in. The other side, the same thing. This one, the bump is on the back side, and it sets right here, and you line it up. And it goes right in. And I just remembered something that I learned the last time, is that when it's lined up here also. When it's lined up top, it's also lined up underneath here also. And then it clicked right in. And it's lined up here on the outside and on the top. And then with both of them lined up, you get your hex screws and your 5/32 wrench, and one goes in straight into the screw. And get it started, and we want to make sure that that bracket arm stays seated. And I'm turning this, I'm sorry I'm blocking the view. That gets tight, and then I want to take this one, because of the nature of it, I'm going to put this wrench on here like a breaker bar, or you could use a pliers and do that. Now the other side, I'm going to come over here from the back side. I'm going to try to speed this up. I'm making this like an epic movie to install these, but I want you to be able to do it along with me at the same time, stepwise, so it's not scary and not daunting. It's not difficult. It's nothing challenging. You just do it. It's really pretty easy. Getting it. Let me give this another look at. Something I'm not doing right. I don't know. Let me lock it again. Get my screw and try one more time. I know it's locked in. I know it's lined up. There we go. Okay. And again from the back side in the almost the full wide position. I got it almost locked, and now I'm going to put this on here like a breaker bar. You can see the wrench from the back in there. We're tight. Full to small, and now the riser block is in there. Now if this riser block you had chosen to go with the Stabil-Rizer block, the installation is the same, you move everything, screw it together the same, and then what you're left with is a riser block underneath here with the receivers that allow you to add the tip clamp and the handle saddle, and that is removable. These pieces come off and go into those receivers. So that's the difference between a basic riser that has no receivers for the stable clamping system and the Stabil-Rizer clamping system that has the receivers. Thank you.